In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background on Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to log into your Wix dashboard. In here, we're going to go ahead and click Edit Site to pull up the Wix website editor. Now, as you can see, my current background is only plain white, so to change this, we're going to look for the site design on the left side of the screen. Give that a click, then select Page Background. Now in here, we can either change the color of the background, add our own image, or add our own video. Alternatively, we can also select a default background right here. So we're going to try selecting one from these. Maybe go ahead with this one. And if you wish to edit the background further, you can go ahead and do so right here. We can change the overlay pattern. Maybe try this one. I think darker looks a bit better. You can also have a overlay color, change the play speed, and toggle on or off the play in a loop option. So once you're satisfied with those changes, we just close that. We also have the option to apply this specific background to our other pages. If you want that, just go ahead and click this right here. Then select the pages you wish to apply the background to. Once that's done, just give that a close. This one as well. Now don't forget to click on Save. And then click on Publish Now to ensure that the changes will reflect on our website. So now we're going to try to see how it looks by viewing the site. Now we have a moving background for our web page. And that's about it. That's how you change background on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.